How to add screen record on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you do not have the screen recording option, then simply swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, tap hold on the screen and you will see the option for add a control. Tap on that and now go ahead and navigate to the screen recording option and simply tap on it, and with this it will be added to your control center. And if you do not see the screen recording option here, then you can also simply tap on the search bar there and search for screen recording and tap on it, and with this screen recording will be added to your control center. You can then go ahead and simply tap on the control center and then tap on the screen recording option, and with this, the screen recording will begin. You can then tap on this particular icon again in order to stop the screen recording, and with this, the screen recording will be saved to your camera roll. So this was about how you can add screen record on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.